8 Ways to Speed Up Your USA Immigration Process in 2024. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Anagha Career Solutions. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video we will be talking about the immigration process, 8 proven strategies to expedite your case. Embarking on the journey through the intricate web of immigration procedures can be a daunting task, especially when faced with unexpected delays. In this comprehensive guide we unveil 8 strategic approaches to accelerate your immigration process and navigate the intricacies of dealing with focus. Whether you're navigating the visa backlog or seeking proactive measures, these carefully curated methods promise to be your roadmap to a swifter and more efficient immigration journey. Stay tuned as we delve into each strategy, exploring the nuances, effectiveness, and prerequisites of each approach. We'll empower you with the knowledge to make informed decisions, ensuring that you can navigate the immigration landscape with confidence. And if you find this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for regular updates on immigration news and insights. So to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for upcoming episodes. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. The pursuit of a U.S. visa or green card is a transformative journey, but the challenges of a stalled immigration process can be daunting. If your case is languishing in the visa backlog, it's time to explore effective strategies to prompt the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Service (USCIS) to prioritize your application. In this video we delve into 8 actionable ways to accelerate your immigration process. Evaluating the effectiveness of each option, navigating USCIS delays. If you find yourself in the frustrating position of dealing with USCIS delays, this guide is your compass to navigate through the intricacies of the immigration process. Whether you're a seasoned applicant or new to the immigration landscape, understanding these strategies can make a significant difference in expediting your case. Understanding standard processing times is a crucial starting point before embarking on the journey to expedite your case. It's imperative to comprehend the standard processing times for your specific application or petition. These times vary based on the field office or service center where you submitted your application. Begin by visiting the U.S. page for processing times, where you can select your form and field office from the drop-down menu. Knowing the reasonable processing time for your case is foundational to assessing whether it is genuinely delayed. 1. Perfecting your application. The first line of defense is one of the most common reasons for delays is flawed applications. Applicants often submit paperwork independently, leading to simple yet impactful mistakes such as using the wrong form version or omitting required documents, paying incorrect fees, or forgetting signatures. Ensuring your application is flawless can prevent users from sending back a request for evidence, a setback that could potentially delay your immigration process by up to a year. This initial step is both straightforward and paramount to avoid unnecessary delays. To submit an inquiry. With this, a formal request for action. Should your case experience delays beyond the standard processing time, consider submitting an inquiry to ICE. Craft a letter using the address on your receipt notice explaining the delay and requesting prompt action. Essential information to include in your letter comprising your case number, alien number, receipt notice number, filing date, receipt date, and the type of case. Alternatively, attempting a phone inquiry by navigating USCIS's automated system and requesting a Tier 2 officer may lead to a call back within 7 to 10 days. However, ensure you have a compelling reason supported by documentation before investing significant time in this approach. 3. Utilize the USCIS request portal. Streamlining the process for cases outside normal processing times. Leverage the USCIS request portal. The provided link in the description guides you through starting a case inquiry. Select the option for cases outside normal processing time and complete the form. Provided note that responses may take up to 30 days, and it's advisable to submit the form only once during this period. These are just the initial steps of our comprehensive guide. If you're interested in learning about the remaining strategies to expedite your immigration process, please let me know and I'll be happy to continue. Navigating the intricacies of the U.S. immigration process requires strategic maneuvers, especially when faced with delays. In this in-depth exploration, we uncover advanced strategies to expedite your immigration journey, dissecting each method's intricacies, prerequisites, and potential effectiveness. From premium processing to legal action, we leave no stone unturned in your pursuit of prompt USCIS. Attention. 4. Utilizing the U.S. request portal. A streamlined approach. The USG request portal emerges as a valuable tool for cases outside normal processing times by carefully completing the form provided in the portal and hitting the submit button. You initiate a case inquiry. Note that responses may take up to 30 days, emphasizing the importance of submitting the form only once during this period. This streamlined digital approach serves as a proactive step to prompt us as attention. 5. Premium processing. A fast-track but limited solution. Premium processing, accompanied by a $12-25 fee, stands as a fast-track option for specific work visa applications. However, this privilege is exclusive to work visas, excluding family visa petition. To leverage premium processing, it's crucial to articulate a compelling reason for expedited service, such as a family or medical emergency. For a comprehensive understanding, refer to the YUS Premium Processing page linked in the description. 6. Expedited requests. Navigating criteria for approval. In cases of genuine emergencies, expedited requests can be formally submitted even if no processing delays are evident. Use case employs clear criteria for approval, including severe financial loss, urgent humanitarian reasons, compelling U.S. government interests, or errors on us as part. It's imperative to prove that the emergency is beyond your control, as it may reject requests. Tied to filing delays, insufficient expedited request timing, or form submission errors. 7. Office of the Citizenship and Immigration Services Ombudsman and Advocacy Resource. The Office of the Citizenship and Immigration Services Ombudsman serves as an advocate for individuals and employers dealing with EU scaling with using with ESCIs. While their contact instructions might not be readily available on their website, the provided link offers a gateway to connect with them. Despite a review period of 7 business days, backlogs may extend response times. Utilizing this resource can be beneficial for delayed cases past processing time. 8. Congressional inquiries. Leveraging political. Engaging your representative or senator to make inquiries on your behalf taps into political channels. Contacting their office, preferably via email, for streamlined tracking initiates a process that typically involves a privacy waiver. USIS responds to congressional inquiries within approximately 30 days. Be aware that responses may involve security checks, potentially discouraging political intervention on your behalf. 9. Legal action. Filing lawsuits against ESUS. Filing a lawsuit against USIS, although a substantial step, can be highly effective when delays persist. This method compels us to address your case promptly. Even the mere threat of legal action can yield results. To navigate this avenue effectively, hiring an immigration attorney becomes essential. Timing is crucial, making this the method most effective after a specific period has elapsed since the initiation of your case. In the continuation of this guide, we'll delve into the intricacies of each strategy, offering detailed insights into their application, potential outcomes, and considerations. Stay tuned for a comprehensive understanding of these advanced methods to expedite your immigration process. Conclusion. Charting your course to immigration triumph. Congratulations, you've now uncovered a wealth of strategies to expedite your immigration process, from streamlining inquiries with USGS to leveraging political channels and even contemplating legal action. These approaches offer a spectrum of options tailored to your unique situation. Remember, each method has its considerations, and the effectiveness may vary as you embark on this journey. Armed with newfound knowledge, we encourage you to share your experiences and insights. Have you or someone you know successfully employed any of these strategies? Your stories and comments contribute to a community of shared wisdom. For more in-depth explorations of immigration processes, updates, and expert insights, stay connected on your path to immigration. Triumph is illuminated by the knowledge gained here. Wishing you a swift and successful immigration journey. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next episode. Till then, take care.